What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for strategy B with the ticker symbol MSTR. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So my goal for today is show you guys what the market participants are doing and where they're most likely going to take the price to next. Before I begin, make sure you guys visit my video description below to see a trading view discount. So if you guys want to also use the software that I use, it's very professional, highly reliable. I highly recommend it. You can get a discount on your membership by using my link in the video description below. It also supports the channel and allows me to continue to put these videos out for you guys. Make sure you give the video a like. It helps out the YouTube algorithm so more people can find it. And let's begin the analysis. So it looks like let's start off with a Bitcoin purchase by MicroStrategy today, or technically yesterday, 316. They're about 130 Bitcoin, which is something. It's better than nothing. So about 130 Bitcoin. You can see that now they hold about 499,226 BTC. So it's official. So right now they're getting close and close to 500,000. It's kind of funny because Peter Schiff was like, "Is that all you bought? Seems like you're running out of firepower." So it's funny that Peter Schiff commented on that. But either way, it's basically just a start. I believe that most likely, obviously, going to continue buying some more. 130 is just a addition to their collection at this point. So expecting more coming throughout the rest of the month. Technical wise, daily chart shows that there was a slight drop from yesterday. Price did gap down, traded all the way towards the 281 level, and then the buyers bought it back up towards the end of the trading session, towards the low 200s to the mid 200s, 290s. And now we're closing just slightly down from Friday, about 1% down. So we're still seeing some buying pressure in the market. It's a little bit quieter, but overall, the technicals are still favoring the bears if you're a bull, unfortunately. But there is sign of hope. You can see that price looks to be kind of maybe back testing that trend line. So let me go and zoom in. It looks like maybe on Friday, price pushed through it. And today was maybe like a back test of it from the opposite end versus before this breakout right here that failed. Price just broke through and was unable to actually close through it. So this is more of a decisive break, but we just need to see continuation of this from MicroStrategy. And then most likely we're going to see higher prices crystallize from there. So I want to see price next get back above the 311, 320 level very soon. So it did break through that downward sloping trend line, which is a good sign. This is a start. It can always fail, and maybe we just adjust the trend line, something like that. I don't think it's going to be like that, but it's something to keep an eye on. So let's see if we see continued buying pressure from here, at least towards the 310, and then let's see if we can see a pop up through that level. If we can, I think we're probably going to come back to retest these prior highs at 545 and even exceed them. So let's see what happens for MicroStrategy on the daily chart. Overall, as long as it's still below the 320 level, I cannot be bullish on the technicals in the short term. Long term, I'm bullish, and obviously the fundamentals are extremely bullish, but short term, the bears are in control of the market. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, clear the drawings, and let's go to the log scale. So like I said before, we have 3 consecutive weeks in a row that are semi-bullish, and the last one was absolutely bullish. We have nice rejection at this lower $200 level displayed by the wicks of the candle. And now this week just started, and it could be a nice continuation of the prior week momentum. So looks like once we see price break out of this downward flag pattern, this correction, there's a good chance that we see price rip up higher. Because overall, the macro chart is still bullish. And I'll go over the reasons why. So all of this could just be a short-term correction for more higher prices. You can see that this is the first angle right here. First angle of attack by the bulls. Now we are on the second angle of attack. And that means we haven't even seen nothing yet. Wait till we see the third angle. Generally, the third, even into the fourth. Just like the prior bull market, as price gets more and more mature in that bull market, it gets more and more steeper and more exponential. So I don't think we have seen anything yet. I think a lot of people are expecting higher prices, and I do expect them as well. It's not guaranteed, but I'm still expecting a good amount of more price increase coming in the near future. So let's take a look at a measure move target. You can see that this is all one large leg right over here. Let's go ahead and clone this. This is the second leg up, and this target's right around the $1,600 level. And then the next target, you take this leg right here, or you combine these two legs because the measure move was already met. And I believe you move it right there. Well, let me do that again. I think it was, let me see if I could do that again. I think, well, obviously it was my $4,000 target, which was all this right here. That's one large leg up. And this would be the second leg up. And this is right around, $4,000. And then again, I have one right around 1,500. And there was one I forgot to do. It's right around 2,200. I think maybe it was a measurement of. There was one I had at 2,200. I forgot where I got it from again. Let me see. We have one leg up right here, second leg up. That target was met. Oh, I think it was this one right here. So these two legs together, and now we drag that up. Yeah, so there you go. 2,200. So 1,500, 2,200, 4,000. Time based, well, I was expecting 4,000 at the end of this bull cycle because I'm pretty sure that Bitcoin is going to also, go up a substantial amount, and MicroStrategy is supposedly supposed to at least do double of that. So, if Bitcoin is going to those high six figures that we think, or the middle six figures, then MicroStrategy should at least double. So there's a good chance that it was theoretically supposed to reach the $4,000 level this bull cycle. If it doesn't happen this bull cycle, I think there's a high probability next bull cycle. But let's just see price get back above the $300 level first, the 320, reach that all-time high, and then reach the $1,500 level, then the $2,200 level, and then that $4,000 level. It looks like it's very possible. Why? Because we do have this channel in play. You have these three swings on the bottom, 1, 2, 3. You drag it up. That's exactly where price is respecting on the pullback. And you can see that if I draw that line across, we're still above this channel line right here. So it looks like it's defending as some sort of support now. So maybe we can double the range or double the channel, and that could extrapolate to where the target could be. And if you do that, that's right around $3,000 level, $4,000 level sometime by the end of this year. So let's see if we can get there. Again, it's just my prediction. Obviously, I can't tell the future with certainty, but we can always predict the future with some sort of probability. And I assign those higher price targets with a decent amount of probability. You guys have any questions, please leave in the comments down below. I'm looking to cover MicroStrategy every day, basically, since hopefully probably the end of the year, or where I believe the top would be for MicroStrategy. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.